What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Friday. I'm just editing all day, so it's gonna be pretty boring. But we'll see how we're doing right now, and then we'll come back when the market closes, and we'll see how we did. So, despite the market's doing much better today, we are down because of Tesla. Basically, is the only reason. So I'm gonna scroll down here so you can see. You see, all three of our Tesla calls are at the bottom, along with Activision. And let me show you the percentages. So look at that, not good, and we're down about $1,000. But we got some guys doing good. You know, we got Nvidia, Apple, Adobe, the one we got into yesterday. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, we're down about $1,000. So hopefully Tesla can swing around. Tesla's been kind of struggling lately with that Model 3 issues, and so hopefully we can hear some good news soon, because yeah, we could be right back in it if they can come back. So all right, we'll come back in a little bit. What's up, guys? All right, so it's 11 o'clock. I was actually talking to my friend Jenny, who you briefly saw in one of my vlogs. She was telling me about whether she should hold on to AMD or not. And so I was looking at AMD on my stocks widget, and I was looking at the headlines. I saw one about Micron that still being able to go up like 28%, which is cool because we still got some Micron calls. And yeah, we still got 5 calls with them. But then I scrolled down a little bit and saw this article about blockchain and how we can finally invest in the technology without having to really invest directly into cryptocurrencies. And so that was really interesting to me. So I hit the article, I read it, and it talked about this global blockchain technologies company in Canada. And you can trade, if you're in the US, you can buy shares in that in the over-the-counter market. So that's what I did. And let me show you what I did real quick. Hold on. So I sold my Tesla shares. I had 10 calls with this Tesla, January 18th, 2019, 600 strike. I thought that was kind of high based on what they've been doing lately. They would have to go up to $400 by the end of this year, and then go up another $200 next year. And I don't even think they went up $200 this year. So I just don't think this is very possible. I still have 5 calls just in case, but I sold 5 of the 10, which freed up some cash. And I bought 1,000 shares of this blockchain thing. So it's actually up 12% today. It was up, I think, 10% but when I bought it. So it's already going up since I bought it. It's at 201 now. And I got in at 197.9. So pretty excited about that. I got to do more research about blockchain, how it works. I have like the most rudimentary understanding of it right now. But anyways, I remembered Lam Research and how I was bitching about how I didn't get into it yet. And so I'm going to take this advantage that I have $1,680 to spend. I'm going to take advantage and just get as much as I can afford. So let me show you here what I was looking at, Lam Research. So I clicked that to get the chart. Okay, so we have, I'm going to go to the 1 year. And if you look at the 1 year, I think I showed this before, they went just from like December. They went from $100 up to $200, so a little less than a year. So I'm thinking maybe if they go up just half of that next year, I'd be happy, so I can get this 250 strikes. So let's see how much that costs. And yeah, I can afford 1 call. So I'm thinking I might just do that. That way I can finally get into them, even if I only have 1. Actually, you know what? I want to be able to spend almost the full amount of money I have. This would only be like $1,200 bucks. I have $1,600. I'm going to see if I can get 2 calls at a higher strike. Let's just see what we can do. Hold on 1 sec. I'm going to hit pause. Okay, so I raised the strike to 270, and I still think that's feasible because, again, they're already at 205, so they only need to hit $65 more between now and January of next year, 2019, not 2018, 2019. I think they could do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get 2 of these calls, but the only way I can afford it is if I can spend, if I can only spend like, let's see, 870 and 870 would be 1,740. I only have 1,680. So I think I can only spend $8.40. That's like the maximum I could spend. So I'm going to put $8.30 just to be safe. Let's see if I can get in at that price. Yeah, it's 1668 and I have 1680, so let's see. Come on, let's hope we can get into them, please, please, please. Yes, all right. Ooh, we got in for 816 only. Awesome. So now we have $40 left. You can't see it because it's right above this number, but we have $40 in our cash balance, so we're still not using any Scott Trades money. We're finally into Lam Research, even though I still don't fully understand what they do yet. But hopefully we'll see them climb and climb and climb, and then we can make some more profits on them. So I feel a lot better now. I think this was a good move. And so yeah, okay, now I'm really going to go, and I'm not going to look at this until 3 p.m. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So we're back. Not happy with how today went. Good things and bad things, but let's just see how we did, and we'll talk about it in a sec. All right, so yeah, we finished about down maybe $1,000 or so. Not the worst day, and I'm actually excited about the new investments we have. Actually, really excited because I've been wanting to get into Lam Research for a long, long time, and either put it off or then forgot about it, and just kept forgetting, or I didn't have enough money at the time and just couldn't get it. But when I sold Tesla today, finally had enough money to invest a little bit, only put in $1,600 into that. But hey, better than nothing. Really excited about this blockchain company. It's Global Blockchain Technologies Corporation. I think they're based in Canada, according to the article I read. But yeah, really excited about that. They actually went up quite a bit since we bought them. So check out their percentage for today. They went up 22% just today, but we got in at like $1.98, and now they're at $2.17. So we made about $195 profit already since we bought it, and this is just a regular stock, so that's pretty good to profit one day off of one stock, at least in my opinion. But and then the Lam Research was already up 35% before we got in, so we finished dead even with that one. So this number doesn't really count. That's why this number down here is a little bit. Let me hit the dollar sign and show you this dollar is not exactly, but you'll see at the end how much we lost. But anyways, let's just focus on what we did do well with. Microsoft had a good day. Applied Materials had a good day. Adobe had another good day, so I'm really glad we got into them yesterday. Really happy about that. Of course, wish we got into them earlier, but whatever. Sprint did not have a good day. Groupon also. Activision Blizzard was the worst performer, even though their stock went up today. So I'm hoping that they kind of catch up tomorrow or Monday and go up. Because check it out. I'll show you Activision's on the second page. Check that out. They went up 64 cents and went 1%. So really good day for them. But our call went down. But so I'm not 100% sure why. It could have been implied volatility or something. But you know what? We have a lot of time still. We have till January 2019 to hit our strike of 95. So we only need to go $33 more between now and a year and 3 months from now. So I think we're doing okay with that one. But anyway, so those are our losers. Let's look at the watch list real quick just to see what the winners and losers were for today. So let's go back to the first page. Skechers just destroyed it. Oh my God, they destroyed it today. 41%. That's just ridiculous. I've never seen Skechers ever go up that much, I don't think, in a single day. The blockchain one was awesome. And then we got Under Armour, surprisingly. And then we got Macy's, surprisingly, going up. So there you go. We got GoPro, though, Twilio, Adobe, Lam Research. We got some companies we like up there. Microsoft, Square, which I'll talk about in a little bit. Then there's page 2. Page 3, page 4. I've been editing all day, so I haven't been reading much about these, but Tesla, we'll talk about them too. Yeah, so it just kind of sucks. All right, so with Tesla, I think Goldman or someone, they slashed their estimates for them next quarter with Model 3 deliveries because of how bad they did. This time around, they only delivered like 220, and their estimate was, well, Tesla's estimate was 1,500, and so they did really bad on that. And then, so they slashed their estimates in half from like 30,000 next quarter or something to 15,000. So that's not good. But I'm keeping my faith in Elon Musk, hoping that he can help solve this problem and get the Model 3s back on track. I think people just need to be a little more patient. It's not an easy thing to make a car like this. And I think as long as they're improving, like if they did 220 last quarter, if they could do like 600 next quarter, that's almost tripling it. If they could triple their production next quarter, I'd be personally happy with that. But I know a lot of people have way higher standards. But I still think if they could do, I think they could easily do that though. I think they could even do over 1,000, which I think is pretty reasonable. Anyways, let's just get off of Tesla right now. Let's talk about Square. I read a headline that said, to watch out for some of these companies for earnings, for this coming earnings that they're reporting. They said Square might be one that's expected to report growth of over 50%. That would be huge because we have 10 calls with them right now. So if that could happen, we could make a lot of money with them. That would be awesome. And also they mentioned Universal Display was getting back to their buy point. So hopefully that goes up because we need them to go up because we have like 11 calls with them. And so hopefully we can make some money with them again. And especially because we have our calls are expiring in like 3 months. So we need to get rid of that. And so yeah, a lot of stuff needs to happen relatively soon. Yeah, relatively soon. But yeah, anyways, I gotta do a lot of work still. I gotta edit some more. I gotta clean the house and do some stuff in the lawn. We got people coming over tomorrow. So yeah, hope you guys had a fantastic week. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching. And please comment below if you have any questions. And hope you guys have a great weekend. And we will see you on Monday.